Thoughts on 924Cs. It's just a horrible charge. It disqualifies you from the First Step Act. And then if you have other charges, you're also disqualified from First Step Act credit on those other charges so long as your 924C and these other charges are on the same docket. 924Cs are consecutive, meaning they statutorily have to run after the imposition of another sentence based on the type of 924C that you have. Possession, brandish, discharge, you're looking at either 5, 7, or 10 years consecutive time. The way around the 924C, and some U.S. attorneys' offices do this, and other ones are like, get out of here, we're not doing that, is instead of you having the separate charge, you can agree to have a 2-point enhancement for a gun, but that gets added on to whatever the other charge is. In theory, if you have a narcotics conspiracy like an 841 or an 846, instead of having a 924C charge, you can negotiate to have a 2-point enhancement on that gun. And this saves you all the First Step Act credit, and this prevents you from having to do any sort of consecutive time because the 2 points just bump up your guidelines, but it's really negligible when you look at the chart and you compare the plus 2 points instead of the 5 years, the 7 years, or the 10 years. But it only works if you can get it done. And there are some districts where they're like, no way. And they look at me like I'm an alien when I ask for the plus 2 instead of the 924C. It all depends on if you can get it done. But if the 2-point enhancement is doable, go for it. That's way better than having a separate 924C charge.